Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and I'm back playing in wigs in my happy place. Now, of course, as the title of this video says, I will be reviewing and installing the Latisha wig from the Lace Cloud9 line. We're gonna do it in real time. So before I get to the review, let's try this wig on together and see how it goes. Let's get started. Now, this wig is, of course, pre-plucked, as you can see, all up and through the hairline, just to create a more realistic, less dense hairline up front. It is a Swiss lace translucent lace wig, and I did have to put a little bit of foundation on the bottom, and I just might go through and add a little bit more on the top, just because I'll be adding extra steps. It's a 13 by 6 ear to ear, 6 inches deep into the lace itself, the frontal. This is a yaki textured wig, and what I mean by that is, if I kind of bring it a little bit closer to the camera, you can see that this is not your average silky, super smooth, kind of like super iron pressed texture of hair. It came out the box super curly, and I was looking at the curls like, I don't know how I feel about that. And then I saw the baby hairs. I'm still learning how to be comfortable with baby hairs, so but listen, because I can't hold it in any longer, y'all already know, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking play. If you are familiar or you are already a part of the family, you know I've reviewed and installed and worn quite a few wigs from the Sensational Cloud9 What Lace wig line. They probably are one of my favorite wig lines on the planet. Just based off of the actual lace in the front of the hair alone. This wig, this is probably the best synthetic lace wig I've ever bought. And I mean, I'm going off of like my first impression here, but listen, like the volume, the parting space, the lace, the curls, the texture, the what, like this is what I look for. Like this is what I look for. I can't stop looking at myself in the mirror because I love this hair so much. You know I love big hair. You know I adore big curls, voluminous hair, and as much as I try to practice on myself or try to achieve a certain look, this is probably the closest I've ever gotten to the exact yucky, curly, textured look that I've always wanted with my hair. So, long story short, take all my money. Take my money. Take my money. I'm coming back for pretty much every color that's on here, with the exception of like maybe the 613. I feel like this texture is gorgeously amazing in the darker colors, and I'm not quite sure if I could pull that off in a really bright color. But usually when you're like going off of the cover, you'll say, okay, well, I know at least what to expect. But I don't even think that the styling on the cover, as beautiful as it is, does this wig any justice, to be completely honest with you. The middle part, with how it looks on me, I am so much more pleased with that it didn't come out with like the longer, sleeker look. I love how thick it is. I love how voluminous it is. And even when I do the side part, I really feel like I'm ready to jump into a time machine and head on back to my world tour in 1976 and give the girls Diva, because that's just how I feel looking at myself right now. Like I would like to record the rest of the video like this. But I won't. Don't worry, I won't. But like, it's giving. I could sit here like this for the rest of the whole video, and it's what I like. This is my type of volume right here. The curls are not dropping at all. They are moving around. They're very bouncy. It comes with a comb in the back, no elastic band this time, 2 combs in the front. And I did like the lace. I did enjoy the hairline itself. This was a glueless lace install using my Bold Hold liquid gold bottle. I will be testing it out for the next day or so, just to see how well this holds up with this particular install. I don't know. I really don't even know what girl. What? But in the meantime, y'all, listen, I ain't mad. And if you're watching this, you shouldn't be mad either. Okay, like this is a wig. This is not a blowout. This is not a sew-in. This is not crochet hair. This is a lace wig, guys. And it's giving me everything I could ever possibly want in a wig. And I'm about to slay the girls all week long. Listen, you know what to do. Make sure you stay tuned for a couple angles of this look. And of course, as always, thank you so much for clicking play on this video. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for clicking that notification bell, just so you can keep up to date with my latest uploads. And go ahead to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, and tell their mama and their next door neighbor what we be doing on my channel, reviewing these crazy, gorgeous wigs. And stay tuned for so much more. Peace out.